mga ka-Ate G! Today, I am going to cook a Chinese soup. And this is all my ingredients. Sugar cane. This one is lalang grass, or in Filipino, we called it kogon. So, kogon roots or lalang grass. I have here water chestnuts, carrots, meat bones, at this one is pearl barley. Ayan, it is easy to cook. You just junk it into the pot and let it boil for 1 hour in a low fire. Let's go! I-junk in na natin siya sa ating pot. It is very simple to cook. So, you just boiled water into the pot and junk it in all the ingredients that you have. So, when it boiled, you just cover it and cook for 1 and more hour in a very low fire. And look here what I did in the sugar cane that I have. I just cut it into two and I smash it so that the sweetness of the sugar cane will came off when it cook. And here I also junk it into the pot and it's boiling, and I just cover it and cook for 1 hour. So after 1 hour of cooking or boiling, this is what the result now of our soup. So it is ready to drink. There is a lot of benefits, vitamins from this soup, mga ka-Ate G. So it's very refreshing. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And we do need the sugar cane.